Alright, these are fun. You can see all the way down to the promenade. These go up to the Steakhouse, which is up here in the funnel, which is, I said, what we're doing on our first night of the cruise, because we get the free bottle of wine and the half price bottles after that. Oh, there's Sophie taking a picture of her mushrooms. Of course, we always get the shrimp cocktail. Jay's actually going out to see if we're going under the Dames Point or how far away we are.
Mom, I'm trying
we are at the Steakhouse.
Mom.
Obviously. The plus side is where this table is right here. Is this restaurant, which has...
We'll be under it. We'll turn all the way around. We'll drive into it. It's not that far away, so it will probably be like 5 minutes, and we'll be under it.
Yeah, it won't be long, you're right. But we're just looking at how much prettier the deco is in here, because like I said, where this table is, there's not a big naked guy standing here, so that's nice. And of course, they've got the artwork up there. Here we go, gonna look back half here. Sit back there where we came from. Oh look, Sophie made it.
That looks
Hi, Doodle.
That looks way higher than it's supposed to be.
Yeah, we might hit it.
Here we go, we're making our turn around the Dames Point. I said I'm really actually surprised that they said this thing was actually taller than the freaking bridge. So it's gonna be pretty cool. See it go under here.
If we hit it and that stuff, right?
Yeah, that wouldn't be that good. Here we go. Oh yeah, we're good.
Whack!
No, we got it. Nothing to it. Like I say, it was windy as hell earlier. And now the temperature's down to like 50. It was hot here last week. Here we go. Definitely not as colorful as Tampa. Here we go. Oh yeah.
You know, it'd be funny that somebody just standing up there and jumps in.
And I hear everybody cheering. We didn't hit anything. All right. There we go.
Hey, what's that? Well, hit the white part of the ground.
No, we got this.
Kind of close though.
And there goes the back cheering. That's just awesome.
You have to wait for low tide to be able to go in.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So I was telling him, I was like, man, I didn't know that this thing was that tall. That bridge is freaking huge. Food. Sophie got the Australian.
I was following
I
you.
don't know how to say it, but it looks good.
Wagyu.
Huh?
749.
Turn.
74.9, what?
Filet lobster.
749.
Oh.
And I bet your inbox.
I don't know, but Jay got a really nice steak. Of course, we got the mac and
Is
cheese.
it 99 plus?
Yeah.